Namaste. Welcome to my channel Think India. Today in Think India Kitchen, we are going to make the most loved Indian flatbreads, naan. Naan is traditionally made in a tandoor oven and it's generally made out of flour, yeast and eggs. Have you ever ordered a naan from a restaurant to your home? By the time it's made in the restaurant till the time it reaches your home, it becomes soggy, hard and dense, isn't it? Don't worry. Today I'm going to show you a recipe which doesn't compromise in its taste and its texture. In fact, the naans remain so soft even after many hours. And we are going to make the naan without yeast or eggs. So all the naan lovers out there, let's get straight into the video.
We need 2 cups flour, half cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon powder sugar, half teaspoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/4 cup of warm milk, half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon of baking powder. So first to a bowl add the yogurt, oil, milk, baking soda and powder sugar and mix well. Baking soda is an alkaline compound. When combined with an acidic substance like yogurt, will produce carbon dioxide gas. So the small bubbles of carbon dioxide gas formed in the dough causes it to rise. Now combine the flour, baking powder and salt. Make a well in the center and add the yogurt mixture gradually and start kneading the dough. Add warm milk to knead the dough. So here I have used 2 tablespoons of milk extra. Knead the dough for at least 6 to 7 minutes till it becomes a soft and pliable dough. Brush with a little oil and cover the dough with a damp cloth and let it rest for an hour. So after 1 hour, just knead the dough once again for a minute and make 8 equal sized balls out of it. Take 1 dough ball and cover the rest so that they don't dry out. Now start rolling the dough with the help of dry flour. You can roll it to your desired shape, either a teardrop or an oval. Now heat an iron pan and grease with a drop of oil. The pan should be hot enough. A cast iron pan is best for frying naan bread because of its natural coating. Now place the naan on a hot pan and cover it with the lid. Fry on one side until bubbles appear and turn it over. Cover and fry until golden brown spots appear. Now remove it and brush it with some melted butter. So that's the basic butter naan. Now let's make some garlic naans. For that, I have grated garlic, nigella seeds, chopped coriander and butter. Roll out a dough ball, smear it with some garlic, nigella seeds, coriander and slightly roll it again and place it on a hot pan. Cover and cook until you see some bubbles on the top. Now flip it to the other side, cover again and cook for another minute. So you can see that I am making the naans on an induction stove top. But if you have a gas stove, you can directly cook the naans on an open flame. And now let's make the naans in the oven. I have preheated my oven to 250 degrees centigrade. Roll out the naans and place them on a baking tray. And bake them in the oven for 4 minutes. And then turn to the other side and bake again for a couple of minutes until you see some brown spots on the naan. That's it. You see how perfect they turned out. Brush with some butter and serve it with your favorite curry.
And wasn't that so simple? Just try it at home and enjoy with your favorite Indian curries. Do try the recipe and let me know in the comment section below how your naan has turned out. And if you like the recipe, please like and share it with your friends. And please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Namaste.